All right, this one is an example of something that you just, oh, I know I could square this and then multiply this by everything and get this ultra long polynomial that'll have y to the 11th in it and a whole bunch of other middle terms. But there's something going on with the powers here, and this constant goes away that makes me think that this is related to the derivative of this. And so that's what I'm going to start with. Is I'm going to start with this mess in here, and I'm going to see how it relates to this out here. I'm playing. I don't actually see it right away. When I first looked at this problem, I didn't see a quick way out of this. But I'm going to ask myself, if u equals y to the fourth plus 4y squared plus 2, then what is du? So du is going to be 4y plus 8y, 4y cubed plus 8y, and the 2 is going to go away, dy. Well, these do actually look comparable here. So if I factor out a 4, du is equal to 4y cubed plus 2y dy. And I'm going to do a little more playing here. I'm going to write this so that I have du divided by 4 equals y cubed plus 2y. So now I can do my replacement. I'm going to pull my 12 out front. All of this was my u, so I'm going to have u squared. And this right here is du over 4. And a little bit more rearranging, I'll bring this 1/4 out front, so I'm going to get 3 u squared du, which is 3 u cubed over 3 plus some arbitrary constant c. These will cancel. So I'm going to get u cubed plus c. And substituting back what I have in here, I have y to the fourth plus 4y squared plus 2 plus my arbitrary constant of c. And I guess actually technically correct. That still makes some weird arbitrary constant. So I could really get rid of the 2 hanging out there. Both, it's technically correct, which is the best form of correct. So we're going to ask ourselves some things about this. What I was looking at here and trying to find a derivative for substitution, I wanted to see all these powers decrease, which I did. So when I did it, though, I got coefficients that were not the coefficients here. But what we're hoping is, well, this 2 was double of what was in here. And so this is only going to work if this was double of what was here. And it was. So we factor that out, and we see that we have a similar thing. And so we can do our substitution. Again, the thing I was looking for was something being the derivative of something else. And so in this case, I was hunting my powers down.